What's up, YouTube? Doing a repeat customer, and we're doing is look, we did a pet treatment in one room, and we're doing an area rug, and then the master. Sorry about that, guys. That's what I love about these pro masters. You just walk right up in there without banging your head. Well, I gotta tilt my head a little bit, but anyway, yeah, repeat customer. You know, same as usual, pretty much. They have pet problems, so let me turn this around. So, a bunch of white carpet, the master bedroom also. This room, see, as you can see right there, you can probably see the contrast, that has some pet problems. So I charge them for one pet treatment. Depending on the how many rooms are actually need the treatment is how I price my pet treatment. So rug, we always do this rug. Get some wear and tear on it. And then get back in here, guys. So yeah, and then this room. So not too bad. Some spots here and there. There was a lot of dog hair. I mean, it made the carpet look filthy. That's right. After I vacuumed it, it's like not bad at all. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and I already pre-sprayed. Did my enzyme pet treatment over there, agitated in, and I just used my broom scrubber for agitation because really it's not that bad in most places. So just kind of went through the areas like this and scrubbed it, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna get started. Turn on the machine, extract, easy part. Now there's a pet treatment that I'm doing the Green Rhino cocktail. Yes. Actually, no, this isn't the Green Rhino cocktail because I actually didn't boost my pre-spray, but it is part of the Green Rhino cocktail. It is my odor eliminator and my stain removal. So put it in there, went around, hit those spots with the light, and did my thing on that. But I just want to talk about, I usually use Sagerside eucalyptus. Everybody knows I love it. I'm not abandoning it. Been using it forever, and I never have any complaints. So I'm running low on that, and this stuff is good too. You get this from Incap store. I just got this. The smell used to be just enzymes, and I don't use enzymes anymore. Now this is not an enzyme product with the same smell. Pretty much what I'm getting is pretty much the same chemistry too as the Sagerside eucalyptus. So depending on you, right? They both smell good, really good, you know. So this is a great backup, and I'm definitely going to keep this because it does smell really good. So I got two killer odor eliminators on deck. Alright guys, so got an amazing trick for you. When you're cleaning and you run across a spot like this that just don't want to rinse out, what you need to do is kind of go down and just pick it out of there. Alright? Pick that spot out. See? It's dog hair. I did vacuum it, but there was a lot of dog hair. So I didn't get it all. This stuff doesn't want to suck up. So yeah, easy spot removal. All right, quick tip here. Actually, I'll just pass them on what I figured out. Right, so as you can tell, the carpet come out looking amazing, like always. But she said this area right here always seems to soil quickly, pop back up. You know, she says, and it wasn't like pop up. It was kind of just like darker, right through here. And I thought, maybe I'll just do a post spray on it, and maybe it is, but I didn't see any pet spots or anything like that. But as I'm cleaning, now I figured out what it is. So it's good to be a little, more experience you have in this, guys, the more you'll figure this stuff out. Bathtub, walking out of the bathtub with wet feet, that'll do that every time. So It's nothing wrong with what I'm doing. It's just their normal routine here. And I'll let the customer know, pass on that information. Yeah, for this big old area. Let's go quick though, because it's all prepped up very well, so the wrench is going to be very easy. No really heavily soiled areas in here, so not a problem. Right there is where the pet stands were. So I'm gonna make sure I do a nice good rinse there. That way you don't leave no residue behind, so there isn't any wicking. Press the peroxide in there. It's gonna help prevent wicking. Guys, my pet treatments don't get callbacks. When I do a pet treatment, I don't get callbacks anymore. In the beginning of when I was running my business first few years, I would get them. Until I dialed in my chemistry, I don't have that problem anymore. So if you're having that problem, guys, then you need to know about the Green Rhino cocktail. All right, guys. So fresh and so clean. Oh yeah. I love Outcast. Anyway, that's it, guys. Short video. I'm gonna mop around here and make my way out of here. So anyway, guys, if you like this type of content, let me know. You know, I do got like 700 videos already on this channel, so go ahead and feel free to go through my journey. And just a note, guys, I'm trying to turn this light off. It's from day one of me starting my own business. So a lot of the stuff and techniques I was using way back, but I'm not doing anymore. So if you want to know my latest techniques, make sure you look under my newer videos. All right, that's it. I'm gonna wrap this stuff up, head off to my next one, H&R Block. See you in the next one.